Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Here it is, as I promised, a side table using all Dollar Tree items. Here I just have a few simple decoration on top, but I definitely love the way this turned out, so I had to share with you, and I only used a few items from Dollar Tree. And yeah, so if you want to see how I made this one, just keep on watching. So in order to make this side table, I'm going to take 2 buckets from Dollar Tree, and here's the barcode just in case you'd like to order it from online. But I did find these by the summer items section. They do have handles and they run a little bit larger than regular buckets from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to cut the handles off. You can use scissors or wire cutters, and I'm going to glue them together in just a minute. So I'm going to cut the handles off of both buckets. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell. And of course, after I cut the handles off, I'm going to take the little sticker or the tag off. It's not even going to show. You can just definitely leave those on the bottom because we're going to glue them to each other. But it's just a thing with me and tags, so it's coming off. But yeah, so I'm going to repeat the same steps to the other bucket. Now it's time to glue them together. So I'm going to go in with E6000 and I'm just going to apply it around the rim, the bottom part of the bucket, and just glue them together. And just a quick reminder, E6000 does take a while to completely dry and seal. I left this overnight, so be sure when you apply or place your second bucket on top, facing up by the way, you do give it some time to dry, because E6000 does take a while to seal. So here I am placing the second bucket on top, facing up. And I'm going to go in with these beads from Dollar Tree. You can find these by like the party or birthday supplies. And I spray painted it using the Rustoleum rose gold spray paint. And I'm just going to go around the middle part of the 2 buckets. I just want to cover that part with the beads. So I'm going to go all the way around and apply hot glue as I go. And of course, when you get to the end, just cut the extras. And let's make this table more sturdy. We're going to take stones from Dollar Tree. I just have this big bag, so I'm just pouring in. Put some stones in there to add some weights. And I'm going to take the pizza pan, which I already spray painted rose gold. You see it on the side of your screen. I'm going to use hot glue and go in and glue the pizza pan on top. And that's pretty much it. And here is the final look. I definitely love the way it turned out. I think it turned out pretty cool, and I didn't even use that many items from Dollar Tree. But I want to hear from you. Please stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. You know, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to leave a comment. And just in case you're wondering, the little decorations up on top, they're also from Dollar Tree. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!